Welcome everybody, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions without using calculator in mathematics, okay? Look at with me about question number 1. 2 power x plus 3 equal 1, then x equal negative 3, because 2 power 0 equal 1. Then we must write here negative 3 in the space, negative 3, because 2 power 0 equal 1. So negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. If x plus y equal 4 and x minus y equal 2, then x power 2 subtract y power 2 equal, we can factorize it to term expression, first expression, x subtract y multiply x plus y, the result will be 4 times 2. Okay, because x subtract y equal 2, reduct 4 equal 8, the result will be 8. Question number 3, the solution set of the equation x power 2 subtract 1 equal 8, where x belonging to z positive is z positive refers to integer positive integer. Okay, we must move negative 1 from left hand side to right hand side, then x power 2 equal 9, and x will be positive or negative square root of 9, then x will be 3 only because x belonging to z positive. We want to find the result in z positive only. Okay, we must cancel negative 3 and put 3 only. Okay, solution set will be 3. Question number 4, if 2 power x equal 3, then 8 power negative x equal, we know 8 will be 1 over 2 power negative 3 all power negative x. Again 8, it meaning 2 power 3, and we can write it 1 over 2 power negative 3 multiply negative 3, because he told us 2 power x equal 3, and you can write it another step, 2 power 3 all power negative x, and 2 power 3 we can replace it with x, we can replace this, so we can replace x with negative x, so the result will be 2 power negative x all power 3, and you can write it 2 power x all power negative 3. 2 power x equal 3, so the result will be 3 power negative 3, it will be 1 over 27. Okay, question number 2, choose the correct answer. 5 power negative 2 multiply root 5 over 5 root 5, we can cancel root 5 with root 5, and the result will be 5 power negative 2 subtract 1. Here 5 power 1, it will be negative 1 here, because we divided two terms similar in the base. Okay, 5 power negative 2 over 5 power 1, it will be 5 power negative 2 minus 1. The result will be 5 power negative 3. It will be 1 over 5 power 3 will be 1 over 125. Z subtract z negative, it will be 0, and z positive, it will be a natural number. The volume of the cube of side length 3 cm equal space. You can find the volume cube of side length 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. The expression x power 2 plus kx plus 36 is a perfect square where k equal space. K lies on the middle, so we can write here positive or negative 2 square root of the first multiply square root of the third. The result will be positive or negative 2 multiply by x multiply by 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. The result will be positive or negative 12. Question number 5. A regular die is thrown once and observed the upper face, then the probability of appearance a number divisible by 3, 3, and 6 only. So the sum of them, the sum number, we can count the number in the brackets here. We have 2 digit, 2 over 6 will be 1 over 3. The result will be 1 over 3. Question number 6. If 5 over 3 power x equal 27 over 125, then x equal, we know 27 over 125 can write here or in the new paper can write it here in the paper. 5 over x over 3 power x equal 3 over 5 power 3. We can replace the result here. Then 5 over 3 power x will be 5 over 3 power negative 3. We have the base 5 over 3 equal 5 over 3, then the power will be equal the power, then x equal negative 3. Another example, factorize each of the following expression. X power 2, number 1, x power 2 plus 8x plus 15. We can factorize this expression. We can write two brackets here, x power 2 multiply x times x, 15 3 times 5, and we must write positive and positive here. Question number 2, 2x power 2 plus 7x plus 3. This expression, we can factorize it. 2x power 2, it will be 2x times x. We have two digits, sum of them equal 7 by extern and inter. Okay, so 3 will be 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equal 3. So we must write 3 here and 1. 3 times 2 equals 6x plus 1x equals 7x. So we must write positive here. Since the first factor will be 2x plus 1 and second factor will be x plus 3 about expression 2x power 2 plus 7x plus 3. Question number 3, x power 3 subtract 1. We can factorize this expression. Open 2 parentheses. First brackets will be small and the other will be greater. Okay, x power 3 subtract 1, it will be x subtract 1. X power 2, it will be x power 2 negative 1 power 2, it will be positive 1, and we must write positive x. Okay, the middle we can write it negative 1 times x times negative 1, it will be positive x. Question number 4, ax subtract 7a plus 3x subtract 21. We can factorize this expression. About write a outside here, write common factor between two terms. The result will be x subtract 7 plus, we can write 3 outside here, the result will be x subtract 7. We know x subtract 7 was repeated about two term. We can write x7 subtract 7 outside, write common factor between two term, and the result here will be a plus 3. The result will be x subtract 7 multiply a plus 3. It's okay. What about question number 4? Simplify to the simplest form. 4 power n multiply 6 power 2n over 2 power 4n multiply 3 power 2n. We can write 4 2 power 2 2 power 2 equal 4. 2 times the n equal to n. 6 will be 2 multiplied by 3. 2n and 2n here, and 2 power 4n multiply 3 power 2n. We can cancel 2 power n where 3 power n with 3 power n, so the result will be 2 power 2n multiply 2 power n. We can cancel it with 2 power 4n because 2 power 2n multiply 2 power 2n equal 2 power 4n. We can write the result here, the result will be 1. And question B, find solution set of the following equation. X power 2 subtract 8x plus 12. We can factorize find the solution set in R. X power 2 subtract 8x plus 12 equals 0. We can factorize this expression here. Open two brackets here and write 0. X times x equal x power 2. We want to find two digits, the multiplication about them equal 12 and subtract. If you add them, the result will be 8. We know 2 multiply 6 equal 12, and if we add the result two digits 6 and 2 to each other, the result will be 8 and the sign will be negative. Then the first factor, x subtract 2 will be 0, or x subtract 6 equals 0, then x equal 2 or x equal 6. So the solution set will be 2 and 6. It's okay. Question number 5. A bag contains the number of smaller balls. 5 of them are white and the rest was red. Okay, again, a bag contains a number of similar balls. 5 of them are white and the rest are red. If the probability of drawing a red ball is 2 over 3, find the number of all the balls. We know the probability of drawing a ball red equal 2 over 3, then the probability of the white will be 1 over third. Then third of, or multiply the total the number of balls, the result will be 5. Again, we have the probability of drawing a red ball is 2 over 3, then the probability of drawing white ball is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 from the total number, the number of similar balls is 5. So the number of similar balls will be 3 times 5 equal 15. Okay. Question letter B. If 3 power x equal 27 and 4 power x plus y equal 1, find the value of x plus y. Look at with me. We know 3 power x equal 27, then the result will be 3 power 3, then 3 power x equal 3 power 3, then x equal 3. Close, x equal 3. And 4 power x plus y equal 1, it must be equal 0. This power x plus y must be equal 0. And 3 plus, we can write here, we can replace 3 here, plus y equal 0, then y will be equal negative 3. Y equal negative 3. Okay, so x equal 3 and y equal negative 3. He want to find x and y. Okay, so we are finished all questions in this paper. Okay, goodbye my students.